of the fastest way to get multiple streams of income for yourself, for your family, and even for your generation is by earning online. A lot of people have been wondering, how can I do it? How can I earn online? I see people make millions of naira, millions of even dollars online, but I don't have any skill. I do not have any capital to start making money online. Today I'll be showing you how you can be able to earn multiple streams of income online with this particular no-fail proof method that I've used, tested, and trusted. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I'm Abdul and I'm a digital marketer. I'm a social media influencer. I'm a content creator. I create content. I'm a sponsored ads expert. I run ads. I also fix sponsored ad issues. If you are just joining my channel, this channel is for you, and this is app.tv. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and do well to subscribe to this channel and like the videos. You can also go through a stream of videos that I've done just for you. So quick one today, I'll be sharing with everyone ways in which you can be able to earn online with Amazon KDP. Most of you would have heard about Amazon KDP, but you don't really know what Amazon KDP is all about. You have heard your friends say they earn $500, $200, $100, in fact $1,000 from Amazon KDP, but you really don't know what and how they come about that. So today I'll be sharing it and I'll be opening your eyes to what Amazon KDP really is all about. Amazon is an American multinational technology platform that focuses on e-commerce, focuses on cloud computing, focuses on digital streaming, and basically also focuses on artificial intelligence. It also allows its users to be able to have direct access to their books. So I will talk about Amazon KDP. What exactly is Amazon KDP? How did we come about Amazon KDP? So Amazon means the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is something that Amazon Kindle allows you to be able to self-publish. What I mean by self-publish is be able to publish your ebooks, your hardcover, your manuscript, your paperback by yourself. So if you are an aspiring writer, you're a poet, you're anything. In fact, you don't have to, because personally, I'm not a fan of, in quotes, I'm not a fan of writing. I don't really enjoy writing. I don't think I even have the luxury of time to sit down and write books, write journals, all kind of thing. I don't really have time. Amazon actually allows self-publishing ebooks, self-publishing novel, children book, anything. Although there are restrictions to what you can do. In my next video subsequently, I will talk about the do's and don'ts of Amazon, what you should do and what you should not do. There's an adage that says, in a place where there is no rule, or in a place where there is no law, then there is no sin. So of course, Amazon has do and don'ts, some things that you should do, some things that you should not even try, because your account, Amazon blocks account if you do not follow their principles, if you do not follow their laws, if you do not follow their rules. There's some things that you cannot publish on Amazon KDP, like you cannot publish magazine, you cannot publish a spire-banded book, you cannot do that. Then you cannot publish periodicals, you cannot publish calendars on Amazon KDP. My subsequent video I will talk about what you can do and what you cannot. Amazon, they give you direct link. Amazon basically is just like a direct link to getting your books known over the world. Like I said earlier on, that Amazon is a multinational company, so it is in every part of the world. Any part of the access to Amazon platform, so you can get books, can get any kind of books you want to get on Amazon. So the reason why Amazon was created was just to bridge the gap, to bridge the excess gap of having to go to a publishing house, traditional form of publishing. They will start billing you, okay, bring this, and even your book won't be ready on time. So Amazon is here to bridge that gap of you having to go to the stress of going to publishing hours. You earn, like, that's the craziest thing about Amazon KDP. You earn streamlessly. You don't have to start telling people, okay, come and buy my book, because Amazon is, like I said, is a multinational company. So everybody in the world come to Amazon to get books. If you're a publisher on Amazon, you publish books, you publish ebooks, my manuscripts, a lot of things. On Amazon, you get recognized by people all over the world. Of what you can publish on Amazon is novel. You can publish book series. You can have like all these series 1, series 2, series 3 continuations. So you can publish children books, children ebooks. You can publish cookbooks. Probably you are a chef, and you actually made this special recipe, and you want people to know more about it. You can have an ebook on that and sell it on Amazon KDP. You can also publish journals. Yeah, you can publish journals, can publish poetry, textbooks, like quite a number of things you can publish. Part of the benefits of getting your book on Amazon KDP is that itself is the largest bookstore in the English speaking world. Like you can make your research on that. Amazon is the largest bookstore in the English speaking world. Imagine getting your on a platform that a lot of people have access to. It's actually a plus for you. And you can and the craziest thing is, you do not have to be a book writer, you do not have to be a songwriter, you do not have to be a poet before you begin to get recognized in the largest bookstore in the English speaking world. And the thing is, you can do it yourself. Yeah, actually, you can open an account yourself, start publishing your books yourself. In my subsequent video, my students already know. They know how to do all this and end. Now, another benefit is like I was saying something earlier when I started, that a lot of people, when they using the traditional form of publishing books, they will go to publisher's house. The stress, the cost actually is actually scary. That's part of the reason why Amazon KDP was just created, so that you can bridge the gap, to bridge that upfront costs in order to get your book published. So in Amazon KDP, there's nothing like nothing like payments. You're not paying anything to get your book published. There's no upfront cost or anything to get your book published. Someone's happy, right? Yeah, I'm happy too, because I've published quite a lot of books on Amazon KDP. And that thing is, on Amazon KDP, you can publish as many ebooks as possible. Now, the thing is, you can be writing books every day. I will try and state something that like I said earlier on, that you do not have to be a writer before you can get ebooks to publish on Amazon. In my subsequent video, I will show you sites, like quite a number of sites, that you can get your copyright-free books from. Now, another thing is, Amazon is very strict with copyright. You cannot use another person's book and say it's your own, and Amazon is against that, totally against that. But there's some copyright-free sites that you can get a lot of books to publish. So you don't have to be a writer, in quotes. You don't have to be a poet. You don't have to start speaking pickup lines before you can get your books or anything published on Amazon KDP. So you can publish as many books as possible on Amazon KDP. And the thing is, you can do it yourself. I actually did I opened my account, I linked my account, I did everything. I started earning myself on my Amazon KDP. And I have students. And my students actually, by God's will, let me say 90% of my students are publishing their books themselves. Yeah, they're publishing their books themselves. Another benefit of getting your books published on Amazon KDP is that there's something you call seller rank. Yeah, seller rank. Now you'll be able to rank top in, let me say if people are buying your books and they are rating your books, they are giving it much review. Let's talk about some key terms on Amazon KDP. Now, some of the key terms on Amazon KDP is something you call Kindle Unlimited. Now, something you call KDP Select. KDP Select actually enrolls your ebook in Kindle Unlimited. Now, there is a monthly subscription program that allows Kindle owners, just like we subscribe to data now. So some of us subscribe to AudioMac. We have subscription on Boomplay, subscribe to Apple Music, and all. So also on Amazon KDP, there's something called subscription. Your books will be made available to subscribers at a particular cost. Then the monthly subscription that people pay, they're able to get books, as many books as possible. So your books will be listed there. That was called Kindle Unlimited. There are also quite a number of terms like promotional programs that gives you the ability to be able to advertise your books to large number of people on Amazon Kindle. Now, one very important thing that I know everybody wants to hear, including myself, that I always want to hear, is what we call royalty. Now, the royalty is the money that Amazon pays you on each book that is being sold. You take 70% of the book being sold, while Amazon takes 30%. So let's say your book is $100 now. So that means on per seller of your book, you get $70, while Amazon takes $30. I guess that's quite fair enough, instead of the bulky way of having to get customers. And so in my subsequent video, I would talk about the do's and don'ts of Amazon, what Amazon does not allow, what you should not even try on Amazon, and I will also talk about ways you can be able to earn more on Amazon KDP. Now, let me quickly drop this. A lot of people are actually doubting that Amazon KDP. I've been hearing it, like, does it really pay? Let me tell you this. Amazon KDP is let me say, is a lifesaver. And the thing is, it is not just like, it is not a responsible scheme or you can also affiliate for Amazon KDP, but it is not all this affiliate platform where do this investment that tells you to bring 10k to collect 20k. Amazon is a lifetime opportunity. And another thing is, you can also pass over your account, your account from one generation to another. You can link accounts, like, from one generation to another. So even let's say this particular generation is wiping off, the next generation can take over that particular account and they will still earn from all the books. So earning on Amazon KDP is not just a one-stop thing, like you just earn now and like someone bought your book now and that's all. No, it's a continuous process. Once people see your book and they buy it, you earn from it. So in my next video, I will talk about the do's and don'ts of what you should do and what you should not do on Amazon KDP to my channel. It really goes a long way, as I'll be dropping more of videos on Amazon KDP. I want you to earn. I really want you to earn with Amazon KDP, because Amazon KDP is a lifesaver. It has been saving lives and it will continue to save lives, whether you like it or not. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and more importantly, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to see more of my videos anytime I post new videos. Thank you very much. I remain Abdot. I'm a digital marketer. I'm a social media manager. I'm a sponsored ad expert. Don't forget to follow us across all social media platforms. Thank you very much.